This video is a basic overview of the SkyCommand app. Log in using your SkyCommand registered email address and password. Alternatively, use one of our quick sign-in options. To log in via PIN, click Set up PIN sign-in. Enter your SkyCommand email address and password, then click Set PIN to set up your PIN number. If you have a fingerprint reader, click Enable Biometrics sign-in. Enter your SkyCommand email address and password. Once complete, click Enable Biometrics sign-in to begin using your fingerprint. Log into your SkyCommand app using your preferred method. On logging in, you'll be presented with your site list if you have more than one site to control. In this example, we have two sites, Home and Work. We can expand each site for additional customization options. To add a site photo from your camera or gallery, click Edit Photo. You can also add photos to areas, outputs and doors. Click Site Options to change any other settings for this site. Let's take a look at our home site. Here we have our area control list. Tap the shield icon to bring up the arm or disarm option. Tap the area name to view full area options. You can also arm and disarm from this menu. To change the order of area names, tap and hold the area name and drag to your preferred position. By clicking the Favorites box, you can shortcut an area for quick access. Tap on the clock icon to view alarm history. You can also extend the view back to the last 2 weeks. Let's take a look at our work site. Arm and disarm in the same fashion as you would your home site. As with your home site, click the area name to view the extended options. If your site has doors configured, you can control them from SkyCommand. In this example, triggering the action unlocks the door for 5 seconds. Any outputs that are configured can also be controlled by SkyCommand. If your site is an Inception panel that's connected to the internet, there's a special tool that allows you to connect to the web programming. And that concludes our SkyCommand app overview.